Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce neck fat. Reducing neck fat effectively involves a comprehensive strategy. It's not just about one quick fix, but rather a combination of healthy habits. We'll explore how dietary adjustments, regular physical activity, and specific neck exercises work together to help you achieve a more defined neckline. This guide will provide practical, easy-to-follow steps for lasting results. Your diet plays a crucial role in reducing neck fat. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods. Limit items high in sugar and unhealthy fats, as these contribute to overall weight gain. Instead, prioritize lean proteins, plenty of fresh fruits, and a wide array of vegetables. Creating a moderate caloric deficit, perhaps 500 to 750 calories daily, will encourage your body to burn stored fat. Exercise is essential for overall fat loss, including around the neck. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate cardiovascular activity each week, like brisk walking or cycling. Also, include strength training 2 to 3 times weekly to build muscle, which boosts metabolism. Don't forget targeted neck exercises, such as chin tucks and gentle neck rotations, performed daily to strengthen and tone the area. Achieving lasting results in reducing neck fat requires consistent lifestyle adjustments. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as poor sleep can affect metabolism and fat storage. Staying well hydrated by drinking around 8 glasses of water daily is also vital for overall health and weight management. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with these habits for the best and most noticeable improvements.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.